There are places that do not simply exist, they remain with you. Château de Freÿr feels like one of them. The moment you enter, everything becomes quieter. The gardens move slowly, the fountains sound softer, even the light feels different here. And perhaps that is why places like this continue to inspire artists, even centuries later. Because beauty, when it's timeless, never disappears. You begin to understand why kings and queens and aristocrats once gathered in places like this. Not only for power, not only for status, but for beauty, for culture, for presence. At estates like Château de Freÿr, fashion was never casual. Every fabric carried meaning, every detail reflected identity. Silk was not simply worn, it was admired. Handmade garments, rare textiles, carefully embroidered details, they were symbols of refinement. A way of telling the world who you were before even speaking. And walking through these rooms today, you still feel traces of that world. The painted ceilings, the quiet music rooms, the marble fireplaces, the symmetry of the gardens. And then there was the piano. For a moment, the pianist in me woke up. It felt as if the room had shifted, as if I was no longer only visiting the chateau, but stepping into another era. An era of music, silk, conversations, and beautifully dressed guests. A small moment, but somehow it brought the whole place to life. Nothing here feels rushed. Everything was created with intention, and honestly, this is exactly how I believe scarves should be made too. Not fast, not temporary, but thoughtfully, with emotion, with memory, with craftsmanship. When I create for RaluFineArt, I often think about places like this. The softness of old European interiors, the faded colors of historic paintings, and the movement of silk against natural light. Even the gardens inspire me, the balance, the structure, the romance of nature shaped carefully by hand. Luxury today often feels loud, but places like Château de Freÿr reminded me that true elegance has always been quieter. It does not need to ask for attention, it simply holds it. And maybe that is why silk continues to matter after all these years. Because silk moves differently, it catches light differently, it carries emotion differently. A scarf can become part of a memory, a journey, a conversation, a season of your life. And when you create something by hand, with intention, people feel it, even if they cannot explain why. As I walk through the chateau, through the gardens, through the rooms once filled with music, conversation, and beautifully dressed guests, I kept thinking about how inspiration travels across time, how beauty from centuries ago can still shape what we create today. Perhaps that is the real meaning of timelessness, not repeating the past, but carrying its emotion forward in a new way, through color, through silk, through art. This is emotion crafted by RaluFineArt. And maybe the most beautiful pieces we wear are the ones that remind us of who we are becoming. Here is Ralu, founder of RaluFineArt, signing out.